Jonavard, and we are here at the Hofileña mansion, Hofileña residence. Manuel Severino Hofileña ancestral house. So we're here on a guided tour by no less than Ramon Hofileña himself. We are honored to have him, but it's only a short-lived tour because for lack of time. So next time we'll come back. But let's see what we have in our very short tour.
Probably 30 years before the next house lived like that. Okay? And kaduro ko mambal ko, I kept it short, huh?
Yes.
But do you know why we opened the house? Okay. I was once upon a time, wala akong start sa balay for 15 years. Since 14 years old, wala akong dito. But I'd come during long vacations. But one time I came back after 15 years of absence, and father was very ill. Nitahan ko the beautiful old houses in the Body house. The biggest house, bigger than Balay Negrense, was down. Ginausan lang lumber for the bungalows. So I had to do something. And I could not think of any other way than to open the house. So I was hesitant, kailangan privacy, no, diba? Kag umater ko, naman na sila naman. I didn't know. But my mother was alive at that time, sabi dito siya ka-private person, so hindi ko gusto mag-open sa balay. But I could not think of any better way than to open the house. So nag-sacrifice ako ng pagdo namin balay. This was opened in 1962, 30 years before the others followed suit. And at that time, I noticed a small city like Silay should have regular lecture on art, culture, tourism, and so on. Every 2 or 3 months, I would lecture sa civic center, or study room, very much in demand. Every 2 or 3 months. Sayang, wala akong nag-alattend sa tuman, payain pa kami. So, so they stopped destroying old houses, but the middle of martial law, 1977, President Marcos ordered to widen the main street. Main street in Silay. And to widen that, doon mga balay nga daan pang kubuon, basta mga dito. So I formed a petition asking for, oh excuse me, I'm sorry we're not accepting anyone borrowed to donate to the furniture. In our case, they all belong to our ancestors and many of them are older than the house. Ang sofa, mariposa, that was made yung Spanish era, so that can be around 200 years old. And the two big chairs over here are what you call Chilean Friarly or friars chairs, because they were used by the priests during Spanish era, and they were popular from the 16th up to the middle 17th century under Chinese influence. At this point, I usually make the visitors sit down, but you can't sit down anymore, just follow me here. This is supposed to be castle on top of Mount Bulan. Of course, ibala niyo, kung gusto national artist, mahal kasyado. But do you know how much ang hinahatag sa artist once he's declared national artist?
1 million.
No. Oh, actually, you don't know. Not one person who came here knew the answer. Not even the gallery owners of Manila. Not even the museum people here. Okay, I'll tell you. Once he's declared national artist, he's given 100,000 pesos outright. And then, bayaran siya 30,000 pesos kada bulan as sa kumakain. So he'll have at least 1,000 pesos every day. Mataas. So that he won't have to have employment anymore. He can make more masterpieces.
Yes.
And when he's hospitalized, the government pays for it. When he dies, the costumes, the arrangements will be shouldered by the government, and then he'll be buried in the cemetery with President Marcos. I don't know how kadasin ko Marcos ang uwi ako madagdag. Now, before we leave this place, any questions?
So that's all for now for this really very short tour. We promise to come back and complete the tour because it's a Sunday and it's already past 5 o'clock and he's going to church now. So we'll do another tour of this place later.